Hi everybody, welcome to our live lesson, and in today's video we are going to show you how to install Xampp to install PHP on your local machine without using the Xampp server. So as we introduced into our previous two videos, I uploaded a video about PHP. You can check it in my channel and I will link them there below. And yeah, so I said PHP is a server-side language, and it can't learn elsewhere until it can't learn on our local browser until it learn on a server. So I can give a demonstration here. One moment. So here we have a PHP server, PHP files. So I will try to open them on our browser and see it will not run because we have not we have not started the Xampp server. But if you don't know how to open what is a Xampp server, tuning to our next lesson I will teach you about how to download and develop PHP using the Xampp server. So I will introduce it in our next lesson. So let's go into what we are doing today. So in today's video, we said we are going to download PHP locally. So you can download the first item you need to do is go to this website, php.download. So let me provide this link into our chat section. Let me open. So as the PHP file that we opened is loading, let me give you that link. So yeah, okay. So let me give you this link. This is where you can download PHP, but in my case I'm using Windows, and the biggest probability you are using Windows is high, so you can download PHP here, and you have the latest version. So I have previously I had downloaded PHP on my machine, and let me close this. So in my machine, if I type php.version #version, you can see I have 8.14. So because in the course of this video, I want to upload my version to be 8.14. So this is where we will download the download source, but I have already downloaded mine to save time. So this is my PHP, the zip file. This is what you will have in your machine, PHP. Then you will extract this file. Once you have downloaded, extract this file. So let me extract it here. So as we promised, so if you see now, this is the PHP file we opened earlier on. So if you see it opens in the browser, but it we can't see the complete web, as in you, you can't see the website, only the code. So that's why we usually need to learn PHP on the server side. So that was a good demonstration to show you the PHP is a server side language. Mhm. So our file is extracting here. As the file is as I'm waiting for the file to extract, the next step I need to do is go to my C folder and create a, let me open it. So if you go to your C drive, this is where you need to put our PHP files, the one we downloaded, because this is the recommended way. This is the same way we do. Even if like I give you a good example for Flutter, for MongoDB. So this is where I stored MongoDB files, I think, and for Flutter, this is where I stored the Flutter files. So for PHP, you will come here and create a PHP folder, and I don't know whether it has finished. No, and this is where you will drop all your folders for PHP. So, and also PHP is open source, and it was created in 1994, the same year I was born in. And for now, I have loved PHP so much. It's so simple to learn. And as promised, guys, I have all these notes that I'm using to create PHP classes. So I have them on my GitHub. So I want to give you the GitHub link for 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 these classes, PHP notes. So let me click them here. So this is my GitHub. So these are the notes that I'm using. They are not very properly well. They are not perfectly written. But if you want to see the progress that we will be learning, I will give you this link through the chat section. You can go and download them or read them. So I don't know why. So we have finished extracting these files. So let me copy all of them and paste them in our PHP folder that we created, but I created many years ago, not many years ago, some months ago. So I don't know that will give me errors, but let me try. So as our file, I'll copy. So, so this is where we stored our PHP file. We know they are copying, they have not yet finished. The next step after copying those nodes, those files to and pasting them here, there, you need to go to your environment to edit your environment variable. If you have installed Flutter, I have a link for how I installed Flutter on this machine. I will give you a link of that video. These are the same steps that we used. You go to create to environments variable in your machines. You copy in your search bar, then you click environment variable to give you this dialog. Then you click on paths, then click edit. If you don't have this path for PHP, you will come here and create new. But I already have my path here. So this is the path I told you for Flutter, for MongoDB server, and the other one I don't know about them. So that's the step you will have to install. Once you have done that, you will come to your command line and type php.version. So it have the old version. When you have this php.8.1, you will know that your PHP file installed has already been installed. So I'm still loading here. I don't know whether this was the best way to do it. As we are waiting, so we have finished. As we are waiting for this to finish, let me go through the next step. The next step we need to do is when you have finished and you have the PHP on your machine, now we need to start the PHP server so that it can learn. We need to start it for a period of time, then we stop it. So the PHP server will learn, and this is the first place it will come to check for PHP file. If you have PHP file under here, it will learn them here. So what am I saying? I'm saying we need to start our PHP so that it can learn on our browser. So the first item we need to do that, we need to come into a command line and type php-s server localhost port 4000 and hit enter. So the server has started, so let us copy this URL and paste it here. So because we don't have any index.php in this browser, I'm sorry, in this folder, it will not learn. But For the sake of this tutorial, I created an index.php under this folder www. So using I have used PHP Storm as my editor, my IDE. Generally, I just grab it. It is very fast. It give you auto completion very well. For it is very friendly for a beginner. So this is our PHP file here, and I have written like the hello world version, but this hello world version is inspired by Fireship. Usually write hi ma'am instead of hello world. So let's see. So we will come into our browser and specify the folder that we have stored our index.php. If we hit enter, now it can echo hi ma'am. So now we are successfully running PHP without Xampp server, but we are running it directly from our machine. So you can just get it. You can see the timestamp of what we have done. So let me close the connection by controlling Control C. So I'm still waiting for my for my it's for my PHP to copy, and I have many folders. So we can do some math here. Echo PHP plus 3, it will just give us the answer. So let's go into our folder and see what is the answer. So I think because of this it has stopped learning. So as we are waiting, subscribe to my YouTube channel, multitouch.campus. I want to grow this channel as I'm learning more about web programming and many things. I want also to learn about Arduino and create a complete an IoT home. So I was thinking, if I use PHP as my server-side language, so this is my channel. We have only 3 subscribers, and I want to teach about PHP and also teach about Flutter and teach about Bootstrap, teach about Git. So teach about also about Flutter, everything about Flutter from Flutter configuration with my MySQL, but in Flutter we usually call it SQL flight. So I will teach you all about that. I want also to learn about Git and how to do GitHub. So the road ahead is the road ahead. We will have so many videos. So please subscribe and see how this channel will grow. So I think let me close some view. So let us close this to see if it will load faster. So let us hope everything has worked very well. So we have finished. So we need to start our server using the cmd command line. So we will go and type php hash capital S for server, localhost, and specify our port number. So we will be using 4000 as our port number, and our server has successfully run, and we'll go and refresh, and we will have hi ma'am, and our answer for echo 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So that's the end of this video, and if you have liked this type of content, give this video a like, and also comment where you would like us to improve as we are learning through this PHP together. So till next time, when I'll be showing you how to install